Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 20th, 2025, and we're diving into H World Group's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. H World Group, a major player in the global hotel industry, has just released its unaudited financial results for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. H World Group reported a revenue of RMB 6.0 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024, marking a 7.8% increase year over year. John, what are your thoughts on this performance?
The revenue growth is indeed impressive, especially considering it surpassed the company's guidance of a 1 to 5% increase. For the full year, revenue reached 23.9 billion, up 9.2% from 2023. This growth was primarily driven by the expansion of their hotel network and increased turnover in both the legacy Huazhu and legacy DH segments.
However, net income for the fourth quarter was RMB 49 million, a significant drop from RMB 743 million in the same quarter last year. What factors contributed to this decline?
The decline in net income was mainly due to foreign exchange losses and increased withholding tax. For the full year, net income was RMB 3 billion, down from RMB 4.1 billion in 2023, impacted by similar factors along with one-off restructuring costs in the legacy DH segment.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, H World reported an adjusted EBITDA of RMB 1.2 billion for Q4, a 9.1% increase year over year. How does this reflect on their operational strategy?
The increase in adjusted EBITDA indicates effective cost management and operational efficiencies despite the challenges faced. For the full year, adjusted EBITDA was RMB 6.8 billion, up 7.9% from 2023. This reflects the company's focus on an asset-light model, emphasizing managed and franchised operations.
Looking ahead, what is H World's outlook for 2025?
H World expects revenue growth between 2% and 6% for 2025, with plans to open around 2,300 hotels. The company is focusing on expanding its managed and franchised business, which is expected to grow by 17 to 21% year over year.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 25 cents for the quarter. How did H World perform in this regard?
H World reported an adjusted EPS of 10 cents for the fourth quarter, missing the forecast by 15 cents. This miss can be attributed to the foreign exchange losses and increased tax expenses that impacted net income.
What does this mean for investors?
While the EPS miss is a concern, the company's strong revenue growth and strategic focus on an asset-light model provide a positive long-term outlook. Investors should weigh these factors when considering their positions.
Key takeaways. In summary, H World Group has shown robust revenue growth and operational efficiency despite challenges impacting net income. The company's strategic shift towards an asset-light model and its expansion plans for 2025 are promising. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing H World's performance and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on H World's performance in the comments below. Until next time,